Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So deep research is one of the NotebookLM's most powerful features. Instead of manually researching or searching dozens of websites, opening countless tabs or compiling notes yourself, deep research acts like an AI research assistant that searches the web, evaluates sources, builds a research plan, and generates a cited report directly inside your notebook. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use deep research in 2026, simple and effective, and all that in NotebookLM, of course. So first thing, create or open a notebook, like open NotebookLM and either create a new notebook or open an existing notebook. Okay, so for example, you can make it a academic research, market analysis, business reports, content creation, technology research. So start with a notebook dedicated to a single topic. Okay, then open the source panel, like from here, deep research is accessed through the sources area. So NotebookLM now allows you to discover sources directly from the web instead. So instead of relying only on files you upload yourself, so deep research expand your notebook automatically. Select web as a source type, like start a new source search and choose web. Like according to Google, deep search is available through the source discovery workflow when searching the web. So web mode enables automated source discovery. So enter a search question, like ask a detailed question, like for example, good question, how will AI impact education over the next 5 years? Okay, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.